As we have heard from the first-hand accounts of those affected by ALS in BC, people diagnosed are struck with a ticking clock and little room for optimism. But the ALS Society of BC's large ambitions are working to change that.
Our whole goal is to provide hope to the ALS patient and the caregiver. The caregiver is just as important because they're stricken with the disease as well. They're the ones looking after the patient.
Project Hope launched in 2021, and to date they have been successful in their Phase 1 goal of raising $5.3 million to establish an endowed clinician scientist at UBC to advance patient care and integrate long-awaited research.
Woohoo! Yay!
The idea is to move everything up to UBC eventually and refresh the clinic anew, as well as developing good research. And then part of that, the element is drug trials.
Now in the final stages of selecting the candidate, they are focused on a key component to accelerate research outcomes: funding. Normally an intensive and competitive hurdle requiring researchers to do endless grant writing. But the ALS Society, in its Phase 2 fundraising goal of $20 million, is taking a novel approach to bypass this step.
We're cutting through the red tape. We're allowing the clinician scientists to do what they're there for. Hopefully in 5 years' time have a program that the research is probably world-renowned and best in the world or North America.
By building in annual accountability measures and absorbing the administrative costs of the project, the Society is poising Project Hope to significantly impact outcomes for ALS patients of the future.
That the patient sees the benefit of this Project Hope and how it's going to affect them. And I think that's our motivation as a board as well, is to make sure that we continue to steward the money and steer the ship straight ahead so we can get to the point where that clinician scientist one day does find the cure.
Michael Newman, Global News.
And if you would like to support Project Hope, you can donate at alsbc.ca.